So I ordered these cables and this is how they come. I wanted to let you see what's inside and what they look like. All right, when you take them out of the bag, this is what you got. As you can see here, these are the install gear, 25 foot each, 1 gauge, red, black wire. So, of course, this is the red one and the black one. They're all in this bag. Let's go ahead and take them out of this and let you see what the wire itself looks like. All right, so here they are out of the bag, and they are nice and flexible. I mean, as you can see here, it doesn't take much to just bend them pretty easy. So they're easily flexible, and here is a closer shot of the wire and the insulation. So it's got pretty thick insulation. Looks like these are gonna do great. I'm gonna be using this to wire up a winch, and I think this is gonna work out fine. All right, so here is the wire laid out in my driveway, and you are getting a very precisely cut 25 feet of both. With the insulation on, you're getting about 5/16. Let's take some insulation off and see what the wire comes out to be. All right, after stripping the insulation, it does look like you're getting a full 3/8 amount of cable, which is basically what I expected. And let's see how it fits the connectors. As you can see here, it does fit a 1/03/8 connector just fine, and it's nice and snug. It fills up that whole connector, so this should crimp really well. So yeah, so far I definitely think you're getting what's advertised, and I should be pretty happy with these cables. All right, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all take care.